This is ritual killing matter. This ritual killing, the thing they on the increase. It dey on the increase, and I been not telling her this thing before. This on a House of Rep people now come dey talk say then they blame Nollywood. Say Nollywood people. Say na them follow the cause am, na them follow they make people. They believe say something like money ritual day. And I still they ask people. Say all these herbalists them where they give una this money. You never think am say why those herbalists themselves no they make no they if then they call rich people for Nigeria, herbalists no follow. If then they call people wey get money for this country, herbalist no follow. So when then they go this herbalist matter thing, they do this, they do that. Sometimes you know go, you just they ask yourself, eh? And herbalist, whether then they follow spend that same kind of money, I don't know. Because if not, you go see all of them suppose they package. Even though yes, we know say some of them they use AC now. These herbalists them. Then they use AC, then they use phone. Yeah. But when you see them the way then they live, you go no say, but really now then they blame Nollywood. Say Nollywood they responsible. I wish say I just fit see one Nollywood person now. Maybe make I even call Segun Arinze now. Make I call Segun Arinze. Make I ask him this thing. Then say na them they cause him. Na them they cause the increase. Bros, good morning. Now you they talk.
Good morning. How you doing?
Are they fine? Hope say I no call you for wrong time. no vex. I just call you. Now, as the matter just the hot for my head. Now I say make I just quickly call you.
No wahala.
Yes, sir. Bros, I don't know whether you see this whole matter about Nollywood being saying that them they follow contribute for the rate of ritual killing where they happen now amongst youths and all of them.
No been doing with policeman talk last week.
Yes. But this one House of Reps have come follow the call census board, make them chook eye. Then they call census board, make them follow chook eye on top the same matter.
They no get work.
Say Nollywood they follow contribute.
They no get work. When they go find work, let's say work. No, they give them more work. When they go face their constituency and do their constituency project. Nollywood na industry will be self-made. Now we waka, take our hands, sweat, blood, everything. You said you know now.
Yeah.
We are pushing for Nollywood, if not be Nollywood them.
Yes.
All that nonsense stuff. When was the last time? When be the last time where they do any ritual thing? These are early days of Nollywood. We're talking about 25, 30 years ago. Now they talk about so. The current things that they happen now. Nollywood they shine. All the international colleges will they get. So the Netflix come here, Amazon come here, some other companies they come here. Even yes, Universal they plan come here.
Universal, yes.
So which I'm saying now we they launder the image of this country, the dirty image where they don't protect. Now we they clean them up for them. Now we be their toilet paper. They clean their man no talk nonsense on radio. They create. How they will say Nollywood now be make them go look for work too. Okay, maybe now we they also teach them how to come carry our girls for Nollywood. With most of those members too. Abi? They know well. They know normal. Maybe they go look for work where they go do and leave Nollywood alone. If they don't feel support, maybe they shut up. If I pick that one campaign, I begin to run some of them down. What do they worry them? When they leave Nollywood alone in peace. This is an industry that has provided work for youngsters. People where before by now they don't turn area boys, they don't turn all sorts. You don't see a lot of young boys inside Nollywood. You cannot see the exploits, the things where they do. The wonderment where boys and girls on Nollywood they do. The whole world they shout, they hail our name. Nobody this morning one list come out, they say our one cameraman, Yinka Edwards, follow shoot the people, he get Oscar nomination.
Yeah.
You will hear about that?
Yes, I see him.
So how Nollywood can be the one where they do ritual?
They encourage because of the films them.
Which film? When be the last time we don't watch any Nollywood film? Go check Netflix, go check Rock TV. Go check Amazon. Which time they see Nollywood, they do ritual. I bet they leave Nollywood alone. And even if they let him say if there's ritual, every film they tell story and teach you what to do and what not to do. In the teach lesson, that will not be so.
Yeah.
No be so. If you watch, you know to learn lesson. Which I'm saying Nollywood they teach ritual. So we just gather themselves for that Abuja inside. They like they don't chop belly food, salary don't come, so they talk anyhow. Maybe they don't let us come for them. If they don't want to support us, they stay their own, make we stay our own. Now we take our hand, build Nollywood. Now then they come, they rebel inside that thing, they think they collect glory, maybe they mind their business. Because of them just shut up and mind their business.
All right.
No,
Thank you so much, bros. I just want to kick off this whole matter. Thank you so much.
Okay.
All right. Any small thing, all these small boys, they go tell you, say, I beg. They want time, everybody want time. They no want even go, they no want stress. If you be like this now, Wetin you go come be for the next people where they come. It means say before them burn the person, they go don't use and do juju. Before them burn the person. Because now I no just understand. I no know. Chief, I greet you this morning. Obodawalo, so I greet you this morning.
I miss you, Liver.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, the thing where they talk about saying Nollywood now cause rubbish when Nigeria they do. They don't see work to do. Nollywood is the best thing that happened to Nigeria. Know how much how many people these people get work? Are we talking of foreign exchange? What Nollywood can code and decode. When they tell you say do this, at the end of the day, they will tell you that evil is not good. That's it. They don't just do it, encourage it. So let them find work where they go do.
Maxwell talks from Shango Tedo. He talks say make them leave Nollywood alone. Now them push Nigerian youth into Wetin then they do with their flamboyant lifestyle and the way their children intimidate people. That's why everyone wants to get rich anyhow, so they will not be intimidated. Nollywood are innocent of the killings and the ritual going on in the Nollywood are just letting people know how bad it is to involve yourself in such. The repercussion of it at last. It's true as far as I am concerned, because this African magic of a thing, they are either reaping, doing juju, shooting or killing, and rituals, and children watch all these. You can't compare the new masquerade, the village headmaster, and Papa Jasco, and all of them. All those ones will make people laugh and relax. Nollywood is greatly the cause. Mama B now send us that particular one. You see, these our lawmakers, they have problem. Instead of them accepting that they have failed by not providing jobs for the masses, they want to impose it on Nollywood. Nonsense. Make us see. This one talks about Nollywood has nothing to do with ritual killing. Our youth just don't want to hustle and work hard. Rebecca, send me that particular one. All right, too. Then, what will Americans say with their action movies, or China with their fighting movies? I totally disagree with them. Okay, now Creative send that one. Because for America, then the action movies, the Chinese people, they fight. Does it mean everywhere on the road of China,
they fight?
People, they do chawa.
They shoot gun.
Chawa.
Shey.
Who there the phone line there?
Good morning, sir.
I greet you.
My name is Peter Dari. I'm calling from Satellite.
Peter Dari from Satellite. Good morning, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Yeah.
In fact, now our politicians are there cause this thing. You know, during election time, most of our politicians, they kill people, they do ritual to get to re-election to various positions. So now our politicians be the main cause, not the Nollywood at all. So maybe let's stop blaming Nollywood.
Make them stop blaming Nollywood. But this thing where you talk now, you get proof for them.
Okay, you ask me whether I get proof.
Because I don't know.
Politicians, that's why you better market naked in the night. They know they put up for Facebook, they know they put up for paper, you know they see them. My mouth you won't hear them.
As I don't know now, say make I ask now. No be say.
Okay, you don't need to ask. This now things when this stage they go on for the mass media, what we see every day at night. Politicians are the main cause.
Now
So
what?
you don't have to blame Nollywood. Politicians are the main cause. Look at their flamboyant lifestyle. Look at the way they are doing up and down. Intimidating people with their wealth and the rest of them. If you don't win the election, you'll not be anything. The moment you get there and get into that position, they win the election as parliamentarian and the rest of them. Then misbehave and do the rest of them. See, as poor my children, they suffer today. Look at what is going on in the society today.
Thank you.
Thank you, my brother.
Who did the phone line there?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
Oga Tombo, sir.
Morning.
Yes. This is Trumpet.
Oh yeah, Trumpet. How you doing?
Very fine.
Yeah.
All
Dema.
right. Let me proceed. You see, the lawmakers, all these people, they have failed Nigeria woefully from level 10 to 0. They don't have anything to tell anybody. Nollywood is a zone of learning. They will use that, all these films, they will write it. If you are not 18 years, don't go here. They will use it to teach you that this is Israel. Till the end of this kind of person's life. You're not supposed to be there. You're not supposed to put your hand in ritual or in killing anybody. It's a lecturing zone. They are telling the world, if you cross South Africa, them the Germany, they watch Nigerian movie more than their own movie. For foreign land, is where they did a lot of stuff. Something like Schwarzenegger, First Blood, name them.
So, Obino.
Hey, Obino, well done. Yeah.
If you see somebody will be say he don't fail in one way or the other. You go the 5 person where go carry that thing, put am for head, say na him cause am. Carpenter wey dey knack nail for wood. He come do mistake, the nail come bend. Person wey dey learn work for hand go ask am, guy, the nail don't bend. He say no, na the new style wey I wanted do knack the nail, like that. So what I want to be say, you don't see all these some of our lawmakers wey be say they showcase wetin they have. Some go show motor, some go share their houses, different things. And all these guys now, they small boy of 12 years, I think they don't get phone. Then they enter social media, then they watch how these men enjoy their life, enjoy their money. So when they now thinking that they want to live that type of life, they go because they do all sorts of things. They come tag and put on tag and say na Nollywood. Don't be Nollywood. If I be Nollywood, I go sue them. That now they want them now, no good.
Thank you so much, Obino. I dey ask you now this simple question. You think say Nollywood they responsible for the rate of killings? This ritual killings matter. Who did the phone line there?
Yo, good morning.
I greet you, my brother.
Yeah, this is activity.
Agility. Okay, how you dey? Longest time, bro.
They fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, this matter where we dey talk about Nollywood. Many hands there among the team will contribute to this young youths going into rituals. Many hands.
Yeah.
Government, number one.
Yeah.
If government can do something good for the citizens, imagine a man who has a family without being able to pay his child WAEC to take exam. And the child happened to finish all he could without doing that exam, entering inside street, meeting all sort of friends. At the end, come out with Yahoo. And think back why his father did not have money to make his WAEC or send him to school. For at the end of everything, he will have his mind that this is where he can make his money. And before you know it, it has entered another place. If there is a good thing in the country that somebody can do, apart from establishing on one's business, government helps. Everything is going in order. I don't think all this suffering can be touching people around that children can enter street be doing nonsense. Nigeria is not organized. Nigeria is not organized. Nigeria is old. Let me just put it that way.
Nigeria is not
old, and old people are arranging us. It's not good.
Thank you so much, Agility.
It's not good.
Please,
we need to think and help ourselves.
Thank you, bro.
Help ourselves.
Thank you. Who did the phone line there? Yes, I greet you.
My name is GM from Aguda.
GM from Aguda.
Yo, as I read online, Cameroon they watch our program well.
Yeah.
Well. Why they know they do courtesan?
Abby?
Why they know they go do all these things so they show on TV?
Even African countries, they consume our content a lot.
Well.
South Africa, everywhere. America, London.
Well. Oga Arinze don't talk everything. And I don't want to talk. What I go talk now is say, okay, you go rest for me. For this country, the government, let me just start from the parents, because the parents alone self, they contribute. If the parents don't contribute, because the friend go talk say, okay, mommy, I dey come. You no go talk where the pikin dey go. You no go tell you, and you no go sit down and question and say, okay, where you dey go? So all these things dey follow cost. Parents say follow cost. School say follow cost. School now get the most rates now. If you tell your pikin now, say, oh, you go to school now. For where you go? Say for back of this thing. You no go school. You don't go put clothes. Go one of your friends. You no go ask your friend, okay, where my pikin? Something like that. And the government say follow cost am. This country.
Thank you so much, my brother.
At the right time.
Thank you so much, my brother. Yeah, this thing when you talk, say, you go send children go school, they no go school, then go. I follow do that thing, shall. I follow do am. You know, I know me, I go kuku talk my own. I know they hide mouth. I follow do am. So with the jump school fence that time, they go watch cinema, they go watch film. No can ask me the kind of film where we they go watch. Because now that one, even though they like talk everything, I wanna no go talk. Because I know you people have evil mind, evil plan. I will not expose myself up to that level. I will expose myself small. So that when it happen, you go say, but I tell you now. I tell you. And if you just, my pa go say, you must learn to say the truth. Might not be, not necessarily all that is true. I be how my pa they take talk that in. But try as much as possible to always say the truth. And I him. So at the jump fence that time, me, Dumebi, Isa, Chika, we reach like 7. No? We reach like 7. We dey go jump, we dey jump a fence. Una see say only guy's name I call. So make una no come dey think any other thing. Any other evil things. Dumebi na guy. Chika na guy. Chika na guy. Yes.
From where we from come?
Yes.
A guy.
Chika na guy. So now all of us like that, they go watch film. You say the only guy's name I mentioned. You they go watch film that year. So with the jump fence. Yeah, but none of us now do. None of us. None. Yeah. Sometimes I don't understand within this generation they go about.